Welcome back to MadeEasy. Today, we are walking through how to build and format a clean, professional area chart in Power BI. A lot of people ask, why should I use an area chart instead of a standard line chart? While both are perfect for tracking trends over time, a line chart focuses strictly on the rate of change between data points. An area chart, however, fills the space beneath that trend line with color. This structural change shifts the viewer's focus to the magnitude of volume over time. It's the perfect choice when you want to emphasize overall profit scale, cumulative quantity, or volume buildup. For this walkthrough, we'll use our standard Sample Superstore file. And let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Visualizations pane. Right next to the line chart icon, you'll see the area chart icon. Click it once. Power BI drops our empty visual template right onto the canvas. Let's grab these corner handles and stretch it across the screen so it's easy to see as we build. Now, let's map our fields. Head over to the Data pane on the far right and expand the Orders table from your Sample Superstore file. We need a chronological variable for our horizontal axis, so grab Order Date and drag it into the X-axis bucket. Next, let's find the volume metric we want to track. Let's grab Profit and drag it directly into the Y-axis bucket. By default, Power BI aggregates our data at the highest level of its date hierarchy, which is by year. While this is clean, it doesn't give us the detail needed to see monthly volume spikes. Hover over the top of your chart boundary box to reveal the navigation controls. Click this double arrow icon that says Expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Clicking it once breaks the data down into quarters. Let's click it a second time. Now we have a beautiful, fluid, continuous monthly profit map. The shaded area gives instant visual weight to the timeline, showing exactly when our store generated massive profit volume and when our margins flattened out. Now, let's see what happens when we want to break this down by different categories. Let's grab the segment field from our data panel and drop it straight into the legend bucket. The chart instantly splits into 3 separate data series: consumer, corporate, and home office. Because this is a standard area chart, these layers are overlapping. This brings us to a critical design rule for standard area charts. They are fantastic for comparing 2 to 3 categories. But if your data series constantly cross over each other, the layers can block the data behind them. To keep this professional and readable, we have to fix our transparency settings. Let's clean this up for our stakeholders. Click on the Format Your Visual paintbrush icon right here under the Visualizations pane. First, let's expand the Shade Area dropdown and look at the Colors section. You'll find a transparency slider. By default, it might be too solid. Let's slide that transparency up. Look at the difference on the canvas. The colors become translucent, allowing your audience to clearly see the overlapping data zones underneath the top layers. Next, scroll down and toggle Markers to On. This adds physical data points to our monthly intervals, making it much easier for a viewer to track exact data alignments across a dense timeline. And that is how you create a functional, executive-ready area chart using your Sample Superstore data. Just remember, use an area chart when the total volume or size of the trend matters just as much as the direction of the line. In our next video, we will take this concept a step further and look at how to stack these areas to show part-to-whole contributions. If this step-by-step tutorial made your data journey easier, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming Stacked Charts video. If you have any questions about formatting, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.